Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. I appreciate you all for tuning in today. Here we have another unboxing. This time it's the Hidden.NY aluminium water flask, which I picked up a while ago. If you don't know what Hidden.NY is, it's an archival page on Instagram. He also has his own clothing brand, but one of the drops, they released this aluminium flask, which I thought I'd pick up. You saw the price, just under £50 in terms of British currency. But it's just a nice little, I guess, an accessory. But I do drink a lot of water, so I thought it'd be a nice thing to pick up. One of the other collabs they did was the collab with Billionaire Boys Club, but they're also known for their socks, which you see all over the socials, usually with some sort of highly coveted sneaker. But it's definitely a sick brand that I would recommend within the streetwear scene for sure. This is not the only Hidden.NY item I do own. I do own the chair tee, the ashtray, as well as the Terry Crew neck, as you can see there, which was the recent post on my IG, so be sure to check that one out. But a very quick video today. I thought I'd just show this. I guess it's an old pickup. I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bless.